after you, my dear.
Ugh!
Smell in here?
So bad! You're so gross.
That wasn't me.
That was definitely you.
Alright. It's
Okay.
chilly in here.
Are we on?
We are live! No, we're not live.
Yeah, the red button's on.
The red light's going. Does it really smell in here?
It smells awful.
It's gotta be the propane.
It's your butthole. He farted! We just had Mexican and he farted. It's so gross! I don't know why I'm in here anymore.
Oh! Alright.
So, our 2021 challenge.
Hey everybody, it's Mike with This Old Hotrod. This says Alli with This Old Hotrod.
Thanks.
Yeah. What an introduction that is. So,
I'm
I said...
the cute one.
She's the cute one. I'll give her that. So the other day, last weekend, I had mentioned
We were watching Matt's video.
It's so funny because that morning I came downstairs and said, "Hey, hon, hey, Alli, this is what I want to do. I want to do a
And I told him he couldn't copy.
I want to do a 2021 challenge." And I told her about Matt and Mike, and then I jump on YouTube, and then I see a picture on Matt's, the one that Mike made, the thumbnail of the
building,
the big building, and it says, you know, that he wants to do the 21 challenge to get that building. So I said, oh, so we watched it, and that's the same day that I posted up my video the day before and said I wanted to do my own 2021 challenge. And again, it's
and Matt invited people to do it with him, so I said, okay, I approve. But at first I told Michael we couldn't copy.
Yeah. So Matt's in competition with Mike, so naturally
Alli wants to be in competition with Michael.
Miss Allison wants to be in competition with me. So, that being said, we kind of discussed it, or we argued about it, I think is more realistic over the last...
Michael wanted to cheat.
5 or 6 days. No, I don't want to cheat because I'm going to whoop her butt regardless. I don't need to cheat.
He wanted us to pick out an item out of his garage, which is fine, but I wanted to find something that we both had to find a similar price point. We were looking for $50, but we both found something for $25. And we have to sell that and hope... And I'm gonna win.
So, we have both kind of been scouring Facebook Marketplace. I was on Craigslist, looking for...
You went on Craigslist?
Yes.
You didn't tell me this.
I don't have to. It's a competition.
He wanted to go in his garage. That's what he wanted.
Yeah, because I have so much stuff in the garage.
That's a cheat. That's a cheat.
So what we decided to do was we went out. I said to her, I'd mentioned, hey, how about we go to like some thrift stores and some antique stores, and we'll find something for $50 or multiple items up to $50 that we'll then start our 2021 challenge with. I found an item yesterday that I told Alli, you should buy this and you can make a couple of bucks on it.
And I told him no, he could buy it.
She told me no. She ended up finding something on Facebook Marketplace, and then I ended up going back to the antique store today to buy the item that I told her to buy yesterday. So, when she loses...
No, I'm not going to lose.
It's going to be her own fault.
Michael told me I can accept gifts from the channel.
You're out of your mind. I said I know that's what's going to happen. I didn't offer that to you.
He said it's in the rules. It's okay. I'm not cheating.
Alright, so Alli's item? Alli's first $25 item.
We both found an item for $25.
Alright, so
my item is a 1940s, 1950s Jeep Willys wheel. And it's in pretty good condition. It has a little crack in it. But I'm going to list it up and hope I make some money on it. Where's your item, Michael?
My item is a vintage tombstone reflector. All the glass is good. There's no cracks. There's no chips. It's got, you know, a little bit of patina around the outside edges. Tiny little surface rust on the outside. But the mount is good. And all of the
little nipples,
little glass beads or nipples or whatever you call it, they're all there. They're all good. So this was $24 at the antique store.
With tax, it was how much, Michael?
It was $25.50.
So he's over budget. Mine was $25.
But I drove her to get it. So technically, I have spent less money than she has. So she has a $25 steering wheel. There's one crack right here on the
Just
right
on
side arm. And then just a tiny, tiny bit underneath where the horn button would go, but you wouldn't see it with a horn button. Besides that,
It's in good condition.
yeah, it's in good condition. The splines look good. Oh yeah, the crack continues around the backside, but she paid $25 for it. I think she'll be able to sell it for more than that. I paid $20.
Anybody want to buy for $800?
I have.
Michael thinks he's gonna win.
I spent $24 on my reflector, my tag topper. So I'll have this up for sale. I'm gonna put this on Instagram. So I have my own Instagram parts page, which is certainly gonna play to my benefit.
So if anybody'd like to follow me, my Instagram name is Little Miss Alli, Alli.
And my parts page on my
Don't listen to him.
on my
He doesn't have a parts page. I have now reported him, so it will be deleted.
My Instagram parts page is TOHR, which is This Old Hotrod. TOHR Vintage Parts. So if you do a search for TOHR Vintage Parts, you'll find my parts page. And this item's going to be up there. Like I said, I paid $24, $25 after tax. You know, they kind of vary in price depending on condition. Probably going to put this up for $35, $35, $40, see what I can get out of it. And then start my 2021 challenge with a glass reflector. So then when I win, I'll be able to reflect back on
I'm gonna win.
how I made all of the money I made from this $25 glass reflector. So, that being said, that's what we're starting off our 2021 challenge with.
We'd like to know who you think will win.
I already know what people are going to say. Everybody's rooting for Alli. I already know that. There's no doubt in my mind. So, Alli's goal is to flip and make enough money to
Finish the little camper.
finish the little camper. So we have a 58-59 Scotty. I think it's a Sportsman is the model.
Yeah.
It's a 10-foot canned ham. And it's the outside condition's really nice. It does need wheels. It needs tires. It's sat for a long time on the ground. So unfortunately those kind of need to be replaced. And then also it needs to be rehabbed. The inside needs to be rehabbed. But the outside, the skin's good. And then we just need to replace the weather stripping on the windows and a couple of the windows.
Glass,
the glass.
yeah. But it's flat glass.
Yeah, be easy.
The other glass in the door is all good. Thank God. Hopefully it stays that way. It's beautiful.
Yeah, it's a really nice camper. Really, really nice camper. So we've had that since last summer, last fall. And anyways, that's her goal. I had said on my last video I don't necessarily have a goal. I had joked around and said maybe buy another hot rod. I just bought one the other day, so
He bought another car.
it's an investment. So I don't know as if I'll be buying another hot rod, but depending on how the year goes and what things are looking like in regards to the 2021 challenge, I had said to her,
He'll take me on vacation.
I had said to her, I'll bundle up my money and maybe plan a vacation. So, and certainly, she is certainly deserving of that. I spend a lot of time in the garage, a lot of time messing around with these old cars and whatnot. So, and she is certainly a very big supporter, and she is very patient with me, and I'm truly blessed in that aspect. And for all you guys and people that comment and say things like that, I absolutely understand and I agree. I'm very fortunate. So, but that's what...
You know why? Because I'm rare and hard to find.
She's very rare and hard to find. Yeah, so that is...
So root for me. I'll keep you updated on our videos.
I'll be posting... I think I'll be posting up Alli's things as well.
Yeah, on the parts page.
On the parts page. So again, if you're on Instagram, it's TOHR Vintage Parts.
I'll probably put them up on eBay too.
Yeah, we'll do eBay. We'll do maybe Facebook Marketplace. I don't really do a lot of selling on Facebook
honestly,
Marketplace.
I'm just done with the people on there.
So I sell a lot on the Vintage Parts page. So if you're in the market for a vintage tombstone glass reflector,
or a Jeep Willys, if you know anyone
or a
who
Jeep
is
Willys.
restoring a nice Jeep Willys.
Or not so nice because there's a crack in it.
Okay, but everything has a crack, and that lets the light in.
The what?
That lets the light in.
It lets the light in?
Isn't that like a saying? You're broken, but it's okay because it lets the light in.
I don't know. You and your sayings.
It's like a girl quote.
Alli told me I'm not going to be good at this competition.
Because a monkey can't sell bananas.
I must say I love that term. Alli told me that not long ago. She said, you're not good at this parts buying and selling because a monkey can't sell bananas.
Because he wants to keep
And
everything.
I said, I've never heard that term. That is such a good term. Like any of us, like most people in this hobby, that you come across things that are really hard to find, and it's hard to sell certain things because you're just afraid you're never going to find it again. And if you do
he felt
find
that
it,
way about me. It would be different.
you're still here. It's been 6 years, so or whatever it's been. Anyways, yeah. So a monkey can't sell bananas. That's a really good term. I told her we need to put that on the back of a T-shirt. Again, I don't want to keep dragging this out. 1940s, 1950s Jeep Willys steering wheel is what Alli is going to start off her 2021 challenge with, and I'm going to start off with my
Our pot
vintage.
started at $25.
What is this? 30s, I'd say, 1930s,
Yeah, 30s,
20s, 30s.
Topper, plate topper,
Vintage
reflector,
plate topper.
tombstone, reflector, plate topper.
Got a little bit of road rash on the top, but other than that, it's
Yeah, it's in
like
really
I said,
nice
it's in good shape. It's
condition.
got a little bit of rust on it here and there in the back, but hey, if you're building an old time hot rod or
Yeah, you
leaving
want
a
those things.
leaving an old original car the way it is, a patina car, then this would be the perfect fit for that. So, thanks everybody for watching. We appreciate it, and good luck.
Good luck. No, may the what is the thing? May the odds forever be in your favor.
Yeah.
They might not get that.
Yeah, some of them will.
Okay.
All right. Thanks everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.